Model, 61 plate Nissan NV200 diesel 1.5 dCi Shea van body, white, panel van mileage, 102,868 MOT, 19 April 2024 engine, 1461 cc K9 K84 bhp, E4A transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors EU status, Euro 4 HPI, Cat C in 2015 cap retail, £4,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.